Create with AI Android Studio tutorial. So this is the app that I built. This is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, it is a full professional pregnancy tracker app. Okay. So when you come here, you see that I have my profile button here. When I tap on it, it will take you right to the profile. Over here, I have the option to come and click on edit due date, and I can change the date, okay, to the preferred date that I want. And then the app is going to go with that date. I have the health here. When I select it, I have the option to come and then check these boxes, okay, to my preference, and it is working perfectly fine. I also have the home page that displays everything, okay. It also comes with an APK that I built, okay. So when I tap on it, I can install the app right on my phone by just tapping on the install button, okay. So this was built using Create with AI inside Android Studio, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build even better apps using that feature. All that you have to do is simply open Android Studio on your system just like this, okay. So over here, after opening it, it's going to bring you right here, and then you have to make sure that you are on Android Studio Panda 4, okay. So if you don't have it, you have to upgrade it. So let me show you how to do it. Simply come here to where you have the settings button here. Just tap on it or click on it, and then come here to where we have the check for updates and come and click on it, okay. So it is going to check for the latest updates for Android Studio. It's going to download and then install it for you, okay. So after that, you see that it will say that you are now using the latest version of Android Studio, okay. Then I'll come and then make sure that project is selected, and over here simply come here to where we have the new project and come and click on it. So after clicking on it over here, from the new project, simply come down here and then come and then make sure that Create with AI is selected by simply clicking on it, okay. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here where you can build your Android app using AI, okay. So over here you have to attach the images, and then over here where you have the default, when you come and then click on the down arrow, you have the option to come and then select the model that you prefer, but just leave it as the default. You are given 1 million tokens, okay. And then after selecting it, simply come here to where we have attach images. You have to attach your image and then the prompt as well. So let me show you how you can create your own app images, okay. So you have to go to Google. From Google search, come and search for ChatGPT and hit enter. Come and select the official site of ChatGPT by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to ChatGPT. All you need is just one prompt, and then I've pinned the prompt, this prompt, okay, at the comment section below, the video comment section. Just copy it, come and paste it, and then over here where it says my app idea is inside it, where it says paste your app idea here, come and then write the type of app that you want to build, just like this pregnancy tracker app. That is all that you have to do. Highlight the whole thing, put the mouse on it, right click and come and click on copy, and after that come and paste it inside the ChatGPT box chat here, okay. After that, simply come here to where we have the send button and come and click on it. ChatGPT is going to analyze what you have just pasted. It's going to give you your app name just like this, and it's going to give you all the images, okay. So as you can see, we have image 1, okay, for the scene 1. Simply come and then highlight the whole thing just like this, put the mouse on it, right click and come and click on copy. Then let's go to Google. From Google, simply come and then search for Google Flow just like this and hit enter, okay. So come and select the official site of Google Labs by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to Create with Flow. Come and click on Create with Flow and come and click on Get Started, okay. So simply come and then click on Create Project, and then from here come and click on Nano Banana 2. Make sure that image is selected. And then over here, come and select 9 by 16. Okay. And simply select 1x. It means that it will generate only one. Make sure that Nano Banana 2 is selected and it is free. Okay. After that, simply come and then paste the prompt inside it just like this. Okay. And after that, come and click on the send button. So it is going to generate the image for you. Okay. That is for the screen 1. Okay. So as you can see, it has generated the image and it is looking perfectly fine. Okay, so now you have to come and then click on it to see the image just like this. If you like it and it is okay, then you have to generate the other images. So come and click on the back arrow just like this. Come back to ChatGPT. You see that we have the prompt for all the images. Okay, that is for the scene 2. Scroll down again. You see that we have for the scene 3 as well. Okay, and then you see that we have the scene 4. So copy them one after the other and go and generate all the images just as I have done just like this. So if you will notice, you see that down all the bottoms here, they are the exact same thing inside each image. Okay, so it is the exact 10. You have to make sure that your image follows the exact pattern just like this. Okay, so after that, simply come here and then come and click on the three dots. You have the option to come and then download it. All that you have to do is simply come and then put the mouse on the download and come and select the original, that is the 1K size, and click on it. It's going to download all the images for you just like this. So after downloading it, now what you have to do is simply come back to ChatGPT. You see that we have one single final Android Studio Create with AI prompt. Okay, this one. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the copy to copy it. So after copying it, come back here to Android Studio, create with AI, and then come and attach the images first. So come and click on attach images, come here to the downloads, and come and select the image one after the other by simply checking this box here for the first image. And after that, come and click on the open. Okay, so it is going to open the image just like this. Then go ahead and then attach the rest of the image. Do it one after the other. Okay, so after attaching it just like this, all that you have to do is simply come and paste the prompt that we copied. Okay, just like this. And after pasting it, simply come and click on the next button. Okay, so over here it is going to ask you to come and then write the name. Okay, so the name, you see that the name from the prompt, you get the name of the app. Copy the exact name and then come and paste it right here so that it will be uniform. Okay, and after that, over here the package name, for that one you have the option to come and change the one after the com dot. Okay, you can change it to any just like this that you prefer. Okay, so over here to where you have the save location, you have the option to come and change it. Okay, so you can simply come and put the mouse on this folder, click on it, and then change where you prefer to save it. And after that, over here the minimum SDK, simply leave it just as it is because most people are on it. And then over here to the build configuration language, just leave it as it is, and then simply come here and come and click on the finish. That is all that you have to do. Okay, so Create It AI is going to do the rest. First, it is going to sync the project. So from the build, as you can see, it is syncing the project. It's going to import the project just like this. You have the option to come and click here, and then you will see the full progress bar. Okay, you can come and then put the mouse on the hide and hide it as well. And then over here, it is going to ask you to allow it. Okay, so as you can see, do you approve this project? Simply come and then click on the yes button. Okay, that is it. That is all that you have to do. So Create with AI is going to do everything for you. So as you can see, it is also going to build the output for you as well. And then you have to come and then connect your Android phone using a USB cable to your laptop. Okay, just that. So after connecting it, you will see that it will show up just like this. So as you can see, I've connected my Android phone using a USB cable, and then the Create It AI is going to go ahead. Okay, and then as you can see, it has built the whole thing, and it is going to sync the project again. Okay, so from the build, it's going to sync the project, and it is going to build it and then install it on your phone. So as you can see, it is syncing the project. So just all that you have to do is to just sit down, relax, and then allow Create with AI to build your app for you. So as you can see from the output, it is now building it to install it on your phone. Okay, so as you can see, so Gradle is running and it is starting the process. Okay, so you just have to relax. So from here, as you can see, it is going to install the app on your phone. Okay, so as you can see, launching on device, and then it's going to display the app on your phone just like this. Okay, so when it shows, don't just tap on your phone, don't do anything. It's going to do its own thing, and after that, it's going to show you this message saying that it has successfully built your Android app for you. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the stop app here. Simply come and then click on stop app. Okay, so after clicking on it, you have to build your APK. All that you have to do is simply come to the chat box and come and say that please build the APK for me so I can install it on my phone. Okay, after typing it in, simply come and then click on the send button, and that is it. Okay, so Create with AI is also going to build the APK for you. So as you can see, it is going ahead to build the APK. And then from the build, when you come and click on the build, you see that from the build output, it is going to build the whole thing for you. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and allow it to build your APK for you. Okay, so from here, as you can see, it is going to ask you to allow it. Okay, so simply come here to where we have the allow and then come and click on the allow, and then it is going to ask again. So simply come and then click on allow. Anytime it asks you, just allow it. Okay, and after that it is going to go ahead and build your APK for you. So when it is done, you will see that build was successful, just like this. You can come and click on the build and you will see the full message. Okay, so from here, as you can see, this is the exact message, and then this is the exact location showing our APK. I'm going to show you how to get the APK. Okay, so after that, all that you have to do is simply come and say thank you for a good work done and appreciate it, and come and click on the send button. Okay, so we have successfully built our Android app and then the APK that we can install on our phone. All that you have to do is simply come here to the menu, come and click on it, and you have to come and save your project. Okay, so from the options, come and click on save all. Okay, and it is going to save your project. As you can see, it's going to save it. So when it is done saving, all that you have to do is simply come here to the close and come and click on it, and simply come here to the exit and come and click on exit. So from the folder that we just created, simply come and then double click to open it. Okay, so you see that we have all this here. Simply come here to where we have the app, come and double click on it to open. Come here to the build, come and double click on it to open. Come here to where we have the output, double click on it to open, and then come here to where we have the APK, double click on it to open. From there, simply come to the Dubai, double click on it to open, and that is where you're going to find your APK. Right click on it and then come and click on copy, and then send it right to your Android phone. Okay, so that you can install it. So let's go to our Android phone, and then I have just copied it to the file manager. Just tap on it, and then from the all files, just tap on it, and then over here from the internal storage, I'm simply going to tap on it. When I scroll down, you see that I have my APK right here. I'm going to tap on it. It's going to ask me to install it. Okay, all that I have to do is simply come and tap on the install button, and then from here it is going to ask me to scan it. Since it's a new app, so we're going to tap on more details and come and tap on install without scanning. Okay, so it's going to install, and it has finished installing, and I can come and tap on opened, and as you can see, my app has installed successfully and it's working perfectly fine. So from here I can come and tap on the profile, and I can try to see that the app is working perfectly fine. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to simply scroll down and I'm going to tap on edit the due date. And after tapping on it, as you can see, I have the option to come in and change the date. Okay, and it is working perfectly fine. I'm simply going to tap on the cancel, and I'm going to try another. So from the health, I'm going to tap on the health, and then over here, I'm simply going to tap on the water progress, and it's working perfectly fine as well. Okay, so when I scroll down to, I'm simply going to tap on the feeling, I'm going to tap on happy, and it is working perfectly fine. Okay, so we have successfully built our app. Like the video and then see you in my next video.